Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick pouncing action, and what we're going to do is draw a person pouncing into action. So it's a pose that involves some crouching. That is the lower body, let's say right here. Upper body, we have the shoulders set right here and head right here somewhere. Of course the placement will change as we go, and we will determine that as we go along. But right now, if you have this handle like thing going with these three planets and an oval in between, we are all set to like put down something. So the chest is initially drawn right back here, so we're drawing this at an angle like that coming together. So chest, and then so thigh, knee, thigh, and knee. Let's just get that going first, and we'll put down some sort of framework for this first action. So delts, chest, let's put the delt right down. We're not going to move that too much. And then the crunch, extreme crunch, back, going right there. And we have the knee, and drawn back and foreshortened shin and calf, and we have 1 foot right around there. So let's say that is part of the hip or the oblique, and we have the other knee right there, shin corresponding with this going backward, but the foot seen from a different angle, so from pretty much from the side, and the thigh going backward. Now we already got some of that down, and we can do a few different things with the arms here. So one very natural thing that artists do is have the arms go out that way, so it's sort of like a horizontal thing in this type of action. And then go into some foreshortening right here. So elbow, forearm, and then the hand somewhere here, and we will decide that what we're going to do there. Same exercise here. So forearm, elbow, and of course the foreshortened forearm, and the hand right here. So usually very customary to go like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course the thumb right there. So, and same thing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, with the thumb somewhere there. So that's one way of going about this. But then of course we have all those different choices in which we could just draw back the hand like that and have a fist right there, and we have to, now coinciding with this, draw the hand backward right there, and foreshortening comes into play. fist right around there. So two different options right there, and there's more options actually. So let's say that this was a Wolverine type of character, then in that case we could also have the hands going right here. So hands placed right here with the claws, and we would have to bring that delt in. That's the only time the delt will actually move, because we're bringing the hand together and bringing it inside that thigh right there, claw. And then what we can do with the head, of course it's all left to imagination. I would leave it right there. It would really work. So eyes, nose and mouth, ear somewhere around here, but we could have different things. We could have him look up that way, or even crunch even lower and looking down. So I know that looks like a mess, but personally I like either that placement with the hands like that, or this one. Batman, I think, uses this a lot. So if we imagine an outstretched cape like that, really works in that pouncing action while leaving the legs as they are. So thank you very much for watching. Please do try it out. It's a lot of fun. Do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.